So now I'll send a message to unlock vehicle test topic with QR code of DAV electric scooter.
So first of all, we receive the message. It contains the vehicle ID. Then I go to the database and I get the rider details.
So now I'm working on the backstage processes of the rider application. In general, we use Flink as a stream processor. Okay, so now I'll show you the unlock vehicle process. So now I'll send a message to unlock vehicle test topic with QR code of DAV electric scooter and with the rider ID of Tal. So when I send the message to the topic, the Flink is processing the message. It updates the vehicle table. We can see that here we have the vehicle table, and now this scooter is available. And if I will query this table again, I can see that the scooter is on mission right now. And if I will query the active rides table, I can see that we have a new ride. The API of the application, actually, it pulls this table of the active rides, and in this way the application knows that the ride has started, and it can show the user that the ride has started, and then the user know that he can ride on the scooter.
I'm working on the lock vehicle flow. So first of all, we receive the message. It contains the vehicle ID. Then I go to the database and I get the rider details, and I get the vehicle details and the vehicle owner details. And this is all information I need in order to finalize the transaction and calculate the payment, how much the ride costs. Then we calculate the actual cost of the ride with the start time and the end time and price per minute. It creates the composite object of all this data. Then I save all this data to the database. This is the end of the flow. After that, I actually doing the lock vehicle command and the transaction to the Fiat gateway.